Vodafone Idea has filed a review petition in the Supreme Court against last month's verdict which had barred any recalculation of adjusted gross revenue dues. Bharti Airtel and Tata Teleservices are yet to file review petitions, though chances of success in such pleas are extremely bleak. Telecom companies are slated to pay over Rs 22,500 crores as part of regulatory payments in the next 9 months. On 23rd July, the Apex Court had rejected petitions filed by Bharti Airtel, Vodafone Idea and Tata Teleservices while disallowing any rectification, recomputing or recalculation of AGR dues. The court had reiterated that telecom companies will have to pay AGR dues as per DOT's calculation and not as per their self-assessment. Since the verdict, not only have Vodafone Idea's shares suffered, but Kumar Mangalam Birla has also stepped down from the company's board while requesting the centre to take note of the precarious situation of the telecom company in the interest of consumers. Vodafone Idea has to pay a total of Rs 58,400 crores as AGR dues, out of which Rs 7,854 crores have already been paid, while Bharti Airtel has already paid over Rs 18,000 crores of AGR dues. Its total dues are Rs 43,980 crores. Tata Teleservices has paid Rs 4,197 crores of its total AGR dues of Rs 16,789 crores. The court last month had ruled that in guise of correcting arithmetic errors, the petitions wanted recalculation of AGR dues. The court had noted that the AGR dispute had remained pending in courts for a long period of time, and bearing in mind the long pendency, AGR dues payable by telecom companies could not be subjected to a matter of any future litigation. The court had reiterated the 2019 and 2020 verdicts by the Apex Court in which there was no scope for any recalculation of AGR dues. The case had dragged on for decades in various courts after the court in October 2019 had ruled that telecom companies had to pay AGR dues. While court subsequently rejected review petitions filed by telecom companies, they had moved the court last year seeking a longer timeline to pay AGR dues. Many telecom companies had cited their precarious financial position and had claimed that many of them will go bankrupt if at all they are asked to pay the dues upfront, after which the court had considered the request by telecom companies as well as the DOT's submission, which had agreed to ensure that telecom companies should be allowed to pay the dues for a longer period of time. The court has already given a 10-year-long timeline for telecom companies to pay AGR dues. It remains to be seen whether the review petition filed by Vodafone Idea will be taken up for an open court hearing.